Why aren't more people talking about the word dissolution? It's GRE gold. Alright. GRE warriors, dissolution might sound fancy, but it's just a slick way of saying something is breaking up or dissolving. Think of it like this. When you drop a sugar cube in water and it just disappears, that's dissolution. Now, why should you care? Because the GRE loves these kinds of words. Knowing them can boost your score and make you sound super smart. Example 1. The dissolution of their partnership was inevitable after years of disagreement. Basically, they broke up. Example 2. The dissolution of the ancient empire left many regions in chaos. Yep, it fell apart. Example 3. The dissolution of the tablet in water takes about 2 minutes. Just like that sugar cube. So next time you see dissolution on the GRE, you'll know it's just a fancy term for breaking up or dissolving. Easy peasy. Keep learning those words and ace that GRE. Catch you next time.